Oh no! The thing. I'm actually going to replay that because I'm not even done opening this. And that only plays once. I literally looked this up earlier. Look at that, guys. Holy crap. I'm going to turn that down a little bit. Dude. We watched him make this on stream, like, for real. What's up, Gucci? What's up, Bick? There's Bick. Bick, we just unboxed your flies. I got them all in the fly box here. Trout. Rainbow. Oh, that real seat, though. So kind of loud. I feel like I should be even like touching or using gloves holding this. Like this thing is just gorgeous. Like it's just perfect. Oh my gosh. Loving this. Kastmaster, man, thank you so freaking much. Bleeding Soul, do the shout out for Kastmaster, please. We're gonna put it together. We'll probably put the reel on, my old reel on it, just to see how it looks with the reel. Heck yeah, Bleeding. Thank you, Bleeding. Can't get that last one. It's stuck in there. Yeah, turn it. It got stuck on something. There we go. I don't want to force it out either. What the heck? What is it stuck on? Why won't it come out? There it comes. That's what she said. There it comes. Come on, you bitch. Lego Lord has arrived. Yeah, it's continuing of the song. It's also Sprock Zard. I don't know how to say it. But I know it as the Ric Flair wrestling theme song, so. Oh, guys, look at this thing. Like, just seeing it all in person and, like, the rapping, with the rapping he did down here. There's his logo. The rapping. Like, this thing is, compared to a lot of other rods he does, like, he does a lot more detail, but this, to me, is just, it's heaven, man. MLG, what's up, man? Sim Racer, what's going on, guys? We just unboxed our Kastmaster rod, Wolfram rod, fly rod. It's a 8.5 foot 5-weight. So we're actually gonna piece it together. Oh, I'm so excited to take this out. Just can't wait to get the fly line in that I ordered. I need to open my chat over here. I'm missing a lot. Yeah, that real seat is amazing. You have a 5-weight. I'll trade you. No thanks. Oh yeah, so he did this as a speed run too, so my dog's excited too. He made this in an hour and 20 minutes. Yeah, 5-weight. It's a 5-weight, 8.5 foot. So he made this, he did a speed run on it, and he built it in an hour and 21 minutes, I believe. Like, I don't even want to... Dude, this is so light compared... Kastmaster, you weren't kidding. This thing is super light. Oh my god! So it's a 4-piece. My other rod's actually a whoops. My other rod is a freaking 3-piece. So this will fit better. Pet dog. You just want all the attention. Screw the rod. Let's pet the dog, right? Dude, I can use this as a rod holder. PVC. There it is. It's all pieced together. I'm only 5. Watch out, bud. I'm only 5'4". So if I were to stand up, this dog just wants to investigate. I don't even know if I can stand this straight up in my room. I can't. I can't even stand this straight up in my room. Because my ceilings only go to like 7 feet. I know, Rocky. I know. I was going to stand up next to it, but I can't. It's too long. My dog just wants to know what this is. He wants to investigate. There it is, guys. The cork handle. There's the awesome freaking rail seat. This thing is just sexy. Put that up there. We could put my reel on it now just to mess with it. So I'm assuming I'm going to put it on like this, right? Or does one of these go to the other side, Kastmaster? You got to tell me here, man. I've never messed with anything so fancy before in my life. You got to help a brother out. They both go together. So I keep them there, and then I put the seat on right here. Or I put the reel on right here, or what? And then I'll go grab the reel. Let me go grab my reel. I know, my dog's going to sniff that up. Nah, that free floating part holds the bottom of the reel. Oh, okay. Take the rubber band off. All right. I got you now. I got you. Let me get that rubber band off. Okay, I'm going to actually take the top off real quick. Scared my dog. Just make it easier for me to mess with real quick. Then you tighten the nuts. Okay. Let me take that rubber band off, and then we'll get it on. All right, rubber band's off. So, all right, so then this, so without the rubber band, it slides, right? So we want it, all these down here then, correct? All 3 down at the bottom. Oops. Holds the bottom of the reel. Yes, sir. All right, we're going to get the old reel and just throw it on there. So here's my first fly rod. It's a Martin. It's like a 5/6 weight. You can see there. Yeah, I got this at Big R for like $30. So we didn't get the line, which is all right. We'll get the line soon. Oh, man. That's just butter. That's just butter. Let me flip it around. Oops. Sounds too much like Martin. It does, doesn't it? That the one that broke? No, so the rod that broke was my Abu Garcia. It was a spinning rod. I mean, it looks great with the reel on it, like in general. Just like it just looks awesome. Like, I hope to get a better reel of that line, so we'll keep this line on, of course, for now. But hopefully I don't have to use it. I can't wait to get I can't wait to get my other line. So we ordered some Cabela's line. Heck yeah. Oops. Watch out, bud. My dog's just like getting in the way and I knocked over my headphones. Heck yeah, dude. It's the Wolfram custom rod, Fuzzy. Or Fuzzy. Gucci. I'm so excited I don't even remember people's names right now. Once again, there's the little rainbow trout decal he put on there. Fucking awesome. His logo, the wrap he did. I think it was Joel who picked the I forgot who was there. It was what was his name? While I was there, I forgot who picked the color blue that he did on this, but It's just so awesome. That door though, what, my door back there? Is that what you're talking about? What's up, Stoner? How's it going, man? Yeah, you were there when I won it. There's the real seat. So this is the rail that we're gonna be using for now, but it makes J Hook's favorite noise. It's so loud. Heck yeah, Kastmaster, thank you so much, man. For real, like, thank you. Like,